Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn how to reduce the size of Power BI file using Power BI Helper. So, one of the important performance consideration of Power BI is to reduce the file size as much as possible. So, one way to reduce this Power BI file size is by using this external tool called Power BI Helper. So if this Power BI helper is not installed in your desktop, please Google search this Power BI helper and simply download it and then reopen the Power BI desktop app. Then it will be added in under the external tools. So here I have loaded the data. So first you have to load the data for which you want to reduce the file size. So here I have loaded the some data. Then I will open the Power BI helper. Power BI helper will be opened. So once this is opened, here there is an option called connect to the model. So just click on this connect to the model. So then it connects. This option will detect all the instances of Power BI files open in the desktop and will list them in a drop down. So you can select the file. Since I have opened only one PBXL file, so it is showing a sales dashboard only, the file that I have opened. Here it gives all the details here. So let us see how to reduce the steps. Let's see the steps to reduce the size. So here there is an option called modeling advice. So when you open this modeling advice, then here it shows how big each column is when it is in the model. So see here the size is in MB and it is the size of the column when expanded in the memory. So this might not be necessary the size of the file when stored in the file storage. So if you don't want these columns, so you can see which columns are occupying more size, and if you don't want that particular column in your report, then you can select that column in the Power BI desktop and you can simply delete it. Next, here you can see. So next step is you can turn off the auto date and time. So in the modeling advice report, you can see the here local date table. It is also occupying some size. So this default, because of we have on the default date table, so this can be helpful sometimes. However, if you have too many date fields in your data model, then you need to disable it. So we can disable it by simply going to File, Options and Settings, select Options, select Data Load. Here under Time Intelligence, we have Auto Date and Time. So if we uncheck this option for Auto Date and Time under this Time Intelligence, then it will reduce the size of our file. So this is one method, one step, and another step is if you go into visualization. So in lot of Power BI reports, it might not be necessary to find out which columns are not really used anywhere in the file. So such columns can be removed. So using this Power BI helper, it shows which columns are not used in the Power BI report. See, file fields not used can be hidden or deleted. So these fields are not used anywhere in the report. So you can either hide or delete these columns. So it reduces the size of the Power BI file. So these are the steps how you can reduce the size of the Power BI file using Power BI helper. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.